I'm Dan Malloy with ENN News, and this is a special report. I'm here with Carson Ernest, a graduate student in the School of Earth and Atmospheric Sciences at Georgia Tech, and he's made an exciting discovery on Stone Mountain.
Thanks for having me, Dan. Everyone in Georgia knows that Stone Mountain is the largest mass of exposed granite in the world. However, that's not 100% true. Most people don't know that that's not entirely granite.
Oh, really? I'd always heard that it was. How'd you come to this conclusion?
Oh, yeah. Several methods of detail here in my research include testing samples donated by the state, analyzing earthquake data, and I even did some minor digs myself where the rock goes underground.
I didn't think there were earthquakes in Georgia.
Oh, yeah. You don't tend to hear about them as much. They're infrequent and tend to be small. But they definitely do happen here in Georgia.
Gotcha. So what did they tell you about Stone Mountain's composition?
Oh, yeah. So in my research, I detailed here they used SME waves and analyzed them at various speeds through different materials through Stone Mountain. And we cross-referenced those speeds with others that we previously knew. We took Stone Mountain as granted as a given. But when the calculations didn't work out for taking that as a given, we had to dig deeper.
Gotcha, okay, yeah. So I guess you can blame the marketers, but I had always heard that it was the largest piece of exposed granite. So you know which one is?
Yeah, you're wrong. In fact, El Capitan in California is the largest granite monolith. That's the power of marketing for Stone Mountain, I suppose.
Definitely. So, can you tell our viewers a little bit more about Stone Mountain? I'm from here, so I know, but they might not.
Oh yeah, a few details I recorded here in my paper. Research about Stone Mountain is about its unique history that even I wasn't aware of even before this investigation. Yeah, it seems crazy nowadays that Stone Mountain is right around the city of Atlanta, the big metropolitan area that is. It's an important question that you asked, Dan, because it actually, Atlanta wasn't around when Stone Mountain formed, of course. 300 million years ago, Stone Mountain formed out of magma upwelling. It's igneous rock upwelling from Earth's surface, and therefore Atlanta formed beside or around Stone Mountain rather than forming in Stone Mountain.
Upwelling, I think I remember that from my EAS textbook, page 156. Can you explain that a little bit more?
Yeah, good question. You're probably thinking of oceanic. Magma upwelling actually is a result of Earth's molten lava in the core, heating up above the surface and resulting in Indian volcanoes, which immediately results in rock after settling and after it burned, which is exactly what happened in Stone Mountain, like many other rocks today.
Well, awesome. Thank you for your time, Mr. Ernest. I'm sure the viewers enjoyed their lesson on Stone Mountain. Join us next week for another special report on Amicalola Falls, another wonder in Georgia.